Describe the order of operations for the following expression. A, 38 minus 14, then multiply the difference by 8, then add 12. B, multiply 38 and 8, then subtract 14, then add 12. C, 38 minus 14, then add 12, then multiply by 8. D, 14 minus 8, then multiply the difference by 8, then add 12. Number 2. The table shows the masses and heights of rock A and rock B that were measured in the science lab. Based on the table, which of the statements is true? F. The combined mass of rock A and rock B is 191 and 84 hundredths grams. G. The mass rock B is 4 and 708 thousandths grams less than rock A. H. The height of rock A is 5 and 803 thousandths centimeters more than rock B. J. The combined masses of rock A and rock B is 36 and 698 thousandths grams. Number 3. J is ordering snacks for the soccer team. He needs enough snacks for all the games. There are 13 players that get a snack at each game. Which equation can be used to find B, the number of boxes of snacks J will need to buy? Snack, 12 packs per box of snacks. Number 4. Mrs. Young has 9 boys and 12 girls in her class. She plans on having a pizza party where each boy will have 2 slices and each girl gets 1 slice. If there are 6 slices per pizza, how many pizzas P will she need to order? F, 6, because 9 plus 12, 2 divided by 6 equals P. G, 5, because 9 times 2 plus 12 minus 6 equals P. H, 39, because 9 times 13 times 2 divided by 6 equals P. J, 20, because 9 times 13 plus 2 divided by 6 equals P. Number 5. An expression is shown. Which value is equivalent to the expression? Number 6. Customers at a gift shop receive free stickers for every t-shirt they buy. The graph shows the relationship between X, the number of t-shirts customers buy, and Y, the number of stickers customers receive. Gift shop, number of t-shirts bought, number of free stickers. Which table shows this relationship? Number 7. Which table could represent the equation Y equals 1/10 times X? Number 8. Patty and her friend went out to eat lunch. They both ordered a drink for $1.75 each, and they shared a pizza for $11. The 2 girls shared the cost of the lunch equally. Patty used the expression below to calculate her cost. How much did Patty pay for her lunch? Number 9. What is the value of this expression? Number 10. A 5th grade class was collecting pennies for a penny drive. The shaded part of the model represents the fraction of pennies that Joseph collected for the drive. The unshaded part of the model represents the fraction of pennies Amber collected for the drive. Which expression does the model represent? Number 11. Mandy has a 15-pound bag of dog food. She wanted to feed her dog 1/5 of a pound every day. How many days will the bag last? Number 12. The table shows the number of visitors to national parks. The number of visitors for Yellowstone Park is missing. National Park, number of visitors. Big Bend, Carlsbad Caverns, Death Valley, Yellowstone. The number of visitors to Yellowstone is 104,872 less than Carlsbad Caverns. What is the total number of visitors to all 4 national parks? Number 13. McKinney High School swim team participated in the district swim competition. 3/4 of the 20 swimmers won their race. How many swimmers won their race? Number 14. The model below represents which expression? Number 15. The table shows the number of cupcakes made at the local bakery during 3 weeks in March. The number of cupcakes made in week 4 is represented by N. Cupcakes, week, number of cupcakes. The total number of cupcakes made at the bakery in March was 54,528. Which equation represents this situation? Number 16. Jim earns 4 Pokemon cards every day for completing his homework. He writes the equation y equals 4 times x to find the total number of cards y he will have after completing his homework for different numbers of days, x. Which table shows the total cards Jim will have after completing homework for 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 days? Number 17. Samantha paid a total of $96.20 for a 13-week AMC Movie Pass. She paid the same amount each week. What amount of money did Samantha spend each week? Number 18. Tara's teacher wrote the following numbers on the board. How many of the numbers are prime? Number 19. Mrs. Jones asked her class to determine if the table below represents an additive or multiplicative pattern. Which student below recognized the correct pattern and justified his or her thinking correctly? A. Jose said the table shows an additive pattern because x plus 24 equals y. B. Alan said the table shows an additive pattern because you add 7 to get from one y to the next y. C. Alyssa said the table shows a multiplicative pattern because you multiply each value of x by 7 to determine the value of y. D. Marisol said the table shows a multiplicative pattern because you multiply each value of x by 6 to determine the value of y. Number 20. Which model represents 3/5 of 15? 21. Angelo has 4 pounds of ground beef. He wants to make hamburger patties that are each 1/4 of a pound. How many hamburger patties can he make? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles. Be sure to use the correct place value.